afternoon. Jeffrey Cornwell here at Marino Performance Motors in West Palm Beach, Florida, where it's sunny and very hot today. I'm going to do a video walk around on our 2023 Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. All right, let's go around it. There is really not anything I can point out negative. The car is in excellent condition. You can see underneath the front lip it's not all marred or scratched up. This entire car is covered in PPF, everything but the black plastic trim pieces. All of the body panels are covered in PPF. There are no scuff marks on any of the wheels. There's no dings, no scratches. The underside of the rockers are not all scarred up. That is just a bug. I'll get him off of there. Take a look at the rear wheel. No curb rash. Tires have ample tread. See, everything here looks really good as well. So we're going to do a little bit of video out here in the sun. This tri-level or tricolor paint's a little hard to get true reading in video or photos when the sun's hitting it. So we'll do some out here in the sun, and then I'll do some video in the shade as well. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing negative here that I can point out on the car. So we'll go ahead and get it pulled over into the shade and go around it in the shade as well. And I'll go ahead and start it. The screen really isn't flashing, that's just the frame rate from the video. You can see there's no warning lights, there's no check engine lights. All right, we'll take a circle around it now that we're in the shade. We don't have the sun hitting it. Again, the car's in just absolutely like new condition. Just like the exterior. See, the carbon fiber on the seats is in good shape. There's no bolster wear. The Alcantara on the door panel is in good condition. Look across the Alcantara dash. It's all in great shape. Again, that flashing is not really flashing, that's just from the frame rate of the video. AC is blowing ice cold. See on the navigation screen. We are here in West Palm Beach. All the headliner's in good shape. There's no damage or any area that's dropping down. See, everything on the center console is super nice. Stickers are intact. Door sill's not all, the inner door sill's not scarred up. Come around here to the passenger side. Bolster wear. Everything's just super nice. Love the seats. The Alcantara inserts, and then the leather on the bolsters, and then carbon fiber up towards the top. Alright, gonna try to show the carbon fiber on the seat back. See, it's all in good shape. The rear wall, no issues there. We'll go around to the driver's side and do the same. Alright, we'll get back here on the driver's side again, just like the passenger side, on the back of the carbon seats. There is nothing to show there. It's all in great condition. A little hard here to see here, but you can see the plate back here showing that this is one of only 1,499 Sterratos that were built. Alright, we'll take a look up underneath the front bonnet. The various tools, air compressor, set of gloves, tire sealant, rest of the tools, front license plate bracket if ever needed, the detail kit where you've got some detailing supplies, towel, gloves, etc. That is the car cover in the bag. You can see all the stickers are all intact here. Also see that we have the original window sticker. It has been laminated. All right, do a little bit of video here, show you who we are, what we deal in. We are Marino Performance Motors. We sit here on Okeechobee Boulevard, which is the main east-west road through West Palm Beach. We are the only independent exotic and high-end luxury dealer on this stretch. We sit nestled between the Ferrari dealer here, the Lamborghini dealer, McLaren, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Range Rover, Jaguar, but we are the only independent. We deal primarily in the exotics and high-end luxury, but as you can see, we do some performance vehicles, and we do some muscle cars as well. So this is our main showroom. You can see you've got a couple Aston Martins here. Ferrari Portofino M, 650 McLaren that just came in, old Shelby Mustang, got a Urus, Lamborghini Evo, McLaren GT, Ferrari Portofino, 911 GTS, real rare car here, Audi R8 V10 with the manual transmission. Again, some more high performance, Bentleys, BMW, another rare car here, the BMW Z8, super rare vehicle. Got an Aston Martin DBX 707 edition. But this is our main showroom. And in the back is our secondary showroom, which is climate controlled. So we have some more cars back here. Let's see. Another Porsche, that's a stick shift 911 Carrera 4S. But again, you kind of see what we deal with here. I try to bring my exposure up a little bit because it's kind of dark. But again, Bentleys, another Bentley, Range Rovers, Hummer. Got an old Resto Mod Land Rover, and got a couple of Resto Mods over there as well.